My video guide is about getting rid of the scary pop-ups that are related to the site recodetime.com. These pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. They try to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans and not robots. But in reality, it's a mistake to click on allow. If the allow button was clicked by mistake, your browser would be hijacked and infected with a lot of advertisements that may be popping up in the right part of the screen. If you are not happy with all such ads, you should get rid of them. Deactivate them by accessing the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, then click on Site Settings, go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. So pay attention to the websites that are allowed to display notifications. You need to get rid of all these malicious sites, including recodetime.com. Just remove them from the list. And this is the manual solution to fix your browser manually. I also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.